Rectifiers. Many electronic gadgets, like laptops, mobile phones, etc., work on DC supply. Hence, AC supply must be converted into required DC supply for proper functioning of devices. This is achieved by a rectifier. Let's first understand the concept of AC and DC signal. AC, or alternating current, is the signal that continuously varies in sinusoidal shape with respect to time. When it goes above the zero line, we get the positive magnitude of the signal, called the positive half of the AC signal. And when the signal goes below the zero line, we get the negative magnitude of the signal, is called negative half. DC, or direct current, on the other hand, has a constant magnitude, which is independent of time. A rectifier is a device that converts alternating current, AC, into direct current, DC. Rectifiers are in different sizes and shapes. Circuit rectifier are of two main types: half-wave rectifier, full-wave rectifier. Rectifier circuits are made up of some basic components. For this, first, consider an AC signal input. The next component is the transformer. Every transformer has two sides, primary and secondary. Input is applied on primary, and output is taken against secondary. Here, we use a step-down transformer. In step-down transformer, number of coils at primary side is greater than the number of coils at secondary side. The specification of transformer are given in terms of turns ratio. If turns ratio is 12:1, it means transformer transforms 12 volt of input signal to 1 volt of output signal. In rectifiers, diodes act as a switch. If the diode gets connected in forward bias, it acts as a closed switch, and if it connected in reverse bias, it acts as an open switch. When these three components, the AC signal, the transformer and diode, are connected, we get the circuit of half-wave rectifier. The output is obtained across a resistor that acts as a load. Now, let's understand the working of a half-wave rectifier. During positive half of the input signal, point A is at higher potential than B. Hence, anode of the diode receives more voltage than the cathode, which make the diode forward bias and acts as a closed switch and allow the current to flow through it. Thus, we obtain the DC pulsating signal, which is exact replica of the AC input signal, with lower amplitude, due to the step-down transformer. During negative half of the input signal, point B is at higher potential than point A. This makes the diode reverse bias, and it acts as an open switch, which does not allow the current to flow. Hence, during the reverse bias mode, we get the zero output. As we get the rectification only on half part of the input, this circuit is called as a half-wave rectifier. Advantages and disadvantages of half-wave rectifier. Advantages: circuit is very simple and occupies less space. Low cost. Disadvantages: low output voltage. VDC equals 0.318 Vm. Rectification efficiency is low, 40.6%. Ripple factor is high, 1.21. DC saturation of transformer core results in hysteresis loss and production of harmonics in power supply. Suitable only for very low power applications. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.